Click the utility bar in Salesforce to use Teams channels. Deliver a message to team members participating in the channel. With the existing Salesforce chatter feature, you have no way of knowing when a reply will come, even after leaving a message. Through the Teams client for Salesforce, you can receive real-time responses directly from your team lead. The team lead personally asks to receive the file once it's ready. The team member instantly shares the update schedule in real time. The team lead asks the team member if the file is ready. The team member uploads the working file within Salesforce and attaches it to the record. The team member uploads the same file through TCS to the team channel for real-time sharing with colleagues. Previously, file management and collaboration were separate. Now they're connected in one unified workflow. The team member checks the message and replies that the file is ready. The team lead confirms the update and the team member responds with thanks and asks for feedback.